yon chickens. Should we let this hatch?
No. Ay, so batang. We will cook that one as sunny side up.
No, but we will have no more chicken. The llamas in here can stop the poop. I know they love poop. Eat now. Get back.
We put it into the...
To put in the refrigerator because I don't think there's any more space. Can I hash one of these eggs and then leave it there so I will hatch because we need more chicken. Forget to subscribe and hit that like and hit that bell for notification. Don't forget if you like this video, just pagkain, ayan pagkain. Okay.